show out the new car. For those who follow me on social media know that I traded in the Dodge Charger and I decided to get me a 2017 Subaru WRX. This thing is clean. I love it, man. But yeah, I haven't done too much. I'm gonna get shift knob. That will happen soon. Just hasn't happened just yet. Got my little. Gotta have this. This goes everywhere with me on any car. My Uncharted ring. You know what I'm saying? Greatness from small beginnings. Sit down with your boy. But yeah, guys, that's the car right there. Hope you enjoyed that little tour. But that's pretty much it of it. Like I said, I enjoyed the car. It's kind of wet because it's raining a little bit. I thought I would be time for that, but that didn't happen. But yeah, other than that, like I said, I gave away the Dodge Charger. Didn't want it no more. Decided to get something new, and so far I'm enjoying it. It's amazing. Plan to keep this. Future mods coming in for this that I want to do, because I got some plans. Nothing too crazy, too heavily modded, but enough to be like, yeah, this baby right here. But yeah, man, that's it for this video. Until then, I'll see y'all next time. I'll see you when I see you. I'm out. Let's go home, girl.